Friends, today the remaining excavation for the footing we are going to do. So please stay tuned and follow the video. As last lecture, we already excavated the from ground floor to the -1 level, and now remaining one is for footing, as you see. So for this, first of all, we set our work plane. So for this, we set our work plane. Let's see. Oh, okay. Now go to the front view, make it wireframe, and then we go to our component model in place, make it new topo solid. Okay. And then now this time we choose void revolve because our footing is in the round shape. So now making the sketch as follow the outer line of the footing, and then axis line select from center to above. Okay. And angle should be start angle 0, the end angle should be 360. Press it OK. Now this is our form that we already prepared. Make it top view and unlock the disassociate work plane. Then move it by move tool, move it to the exact location, and then cut geometry from the outer to inner. Now this is our footing is prepared, excavated. To follow this, we will make it copy from this point to this. Make it cut as well from outer to the inner one. Okay. And then make it copy for both from this point to midpoint, and then same procedure, cut geometry from outer to inner one by one, and then now make it finish the model. Now you will see, make it shaded. Now see, this is our 3D model excavated, and you see where we have the footing, we excavated the footings and our foundations by using the toposolid and the void extrusion and void revolve the techniques. So hopefully you understood. This is very important lecture. For further the next lecture, please stay tuned. Thank you so much.